Yeah, and like going out to pick out the materials, you can go into the office and they show you kind of the design of your pool and what it would look like, and that way you can kind of vision it a little bit better than just kind of talking about it or looking at a blueprint. It's really, it's on a screen, it's on 3D almost, so it's kind of, you have a better picture of what, and it's to scale to your backyard or to wherever you're putting your pool. And so, but then all the materials you can choose from, the tiles for your pool, the gunite, I guess, all of, or the plaster, the plaster, all of the stuff you can choose. And so I know a lot about pools now to where I didn't know, I knew zero before. Yeah. But now, there's the fencing materials you can choose from. There's just so many materials, and Lori's just great about picking out those things, and she kind of picks up on like what you like, and she'll say, hey, I saw this, you might really like it, and then you'll really like it, and you'll want it. So all the materials are just, there's so much to choose from, and there's so many directions you can go with your pool, and it just makes it really, it's wonderful just to kind of see all of the design pieces that you can choose from, and just make it yours and make it something that is true to you and your family, and they're very welcoming with that. So,
and everything's tweakable and adjustable, and great suggestions like our patio overhang built-in roof, misters for the hot months, which we could probably use on right now, and then they also helped me engineer a swim jet system to create a very powerful current to swim against at the other end, which they were very flexible and open-minded on that as well. So we're really cool.